Alright guys, we're starting with the driver's side. We got our BC coilover up. We're gonna go ahead and take the top hat off so we can put the new top hat on. We got the lower control arms right there, knuckle and tie rods, and the rack relocation adapter. So let's do it. Alright, we got the old control arm whole assembly out. Yeah. So now time to set that up. So let's get to it. Alright guys, we got our V2 Wisefab S13 angle kit finally on. Nothing is torqued down yet. This is I just got it on. I'm gonna torque everything down. We got our BC coilovers on here. We used to have the Z32 brakes. These are the front calipers, but this is the smaller version of it. These are the big boys right here. And then we got our drilled and slotted rotors. So looking nice. All right guys, you guys want to go Wisefab? I can't run 18s in the front anymore, so that's no spacer. I can turn this way just fine. Obviously I still need an alignment, guys, so that's a lot, by the way. Still need an alignment. These are 18s 245/40. It's gonna touch right, I can't go right there. 17s in the front, baby, let's go. Alright guys, so we got the Wisefab, we got the bigger Z32 upgrade with the drilled and slotted rotors, and of course our PCs right there. Shout out to Cody for them once again, and Jackson Performance for the beautiful Wisefab kit. Super excited. We got the driver's side done. I know I really haven't talked much through this video. I've just been so focused and excited about getting this installed. But yeah, this is definitely one of those bucket list items. We're gonna start doing the passenger side, get it ready. We're definitely gonna need some 17s on this. Apparently it's an S chassis thing. They run 17s in the front, 18s in the rear, because 18s start to hit, and we already tested it out. So definitely gonna get some 17s, which we are gonna be working on. But yeah, let's go get the other side done. All right guys, we got the passenger side in, new caliper, new rotors. We got them all adjusted so they're as straight as we can get it off an eyeball and a little bit of tape measure. Man, look at this, look at it. All right, so check this out, bro. You got the motor and then just Wisefab. Dude, this is incredible. Alright guys, today we are doing our rear Z32 rear calipers. Basically this is a mission on 240s, because if you guys know anything about 240s, this line right here likes to just strip and take a shit. So a lot of people cut this off. So they use like dikes to cut it off, but that's a bad idea because it pinches the line. So we got this this line cutter right here. We cut it off. We got the new lines for it, and then I cut it off in there. You can see it right there. So basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna put a new fitting on it, flare it back out, and then we got the new lines that will go to our Z32 calipers and get rid of these, well, not that, but get rid of this whole assembly right here, and finally put some big boy brakes on here. So let's get to it.